Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on the Heyday game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and once it has been opened up, you might be taken through the basic tutorial levels. After completing the basic tutorial, you will gain access to the most of game features, from which you can log into your Supercell ID in order to change your online presence settings. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings, and once you tap on it, you will see your Supercell ID section at the top. Simply click on the login button if you haven't logged in already and use your credentials, and after logging in you will see the connected button. Just tap on this button, which will open up your Supercell ID settings. Now from this page, in order to change your online appearance, simply tap on the settings button and you will see the show online status button. Simply tap on the toggle and this will turn your online presence into offline, and now no one will be able to find out whether you are online within the game or not. If you wish to change this setting back, you can simply turn on the toggle and this will once again show that you are online. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your online status and appear offline on the Heyday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.